What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and as you can see, I've been unboxing all the things today. We've got another one here for you. We're going to find out what's in the box and go from there. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So on to the unboxing itself. We're going to find out what's in this box, and excuse the flashing lights behind me. That's what I just unboxed last, and I'm pretty excited about it, so I'm just going to let them run. Alright, so we have a empty box here. Not quite sure what these are, so let's go ahead and open it up and find out. We got some more tape here. Ooh, okay. So we've got some power plugs, and we've got some buttons. Okay, so these are buttons. It goes maybe on the floor, on the wall, so you can just kind of tap it when you want to turn them on. And we have two of those. Okay, so we're going to put these aside. I do believe these are going to be similar to those sconces back there. Yes, they are. Okay, so these are sconces, but they're LED sconces. So check this out. So we can actually turn it at whatever direction we want to actually point, and they will essentially have RGB just like what's behind me. So let's take the other one out and try these out. All right, so here's the other one. So we have two of these LED spotlights, I guess you can call them. We have mounting hardware for them, two sets of mounting hardware. Nice. And we have the instructions where you can see that, yes, it is meant to be a floor pedal. This would be really good for like a show if you're playing like music or things like that. But if you don't want to use the foot pedal, you can actually use the remotes as well. And these are actually like kind of nice remotes. They're not like the little small ones that you tend to get with everything else. These are actually like rounded a little bit. Still very light, so you can tell it's very not expensive to make, but it is a lot nicer than you'd normally find on these types of lights. So let's go ahead and try one out. These do not look to be rechargeable. These look to be actually powered. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug these other LEDs, and I'm going to put these ones over here and see what they're like. All right, so I've gone ahead and plugged one of the spotlights in, as you can see here. And if I put it up, you can see what it's essentially doing. And it is very, very bright. If I turn off the lights right now, the room is affected. So with two of these, you can create a pretty fun and interesting show or effect. You can have, you know, one on the left side of the room, one on the right side of the room, and you can change the different modes as well. We can change the colors, so we can say we want it green, we want it red, we want it blue. We can change the brightness, and we can switch to the different types of cycling and party modes. So yeah, very, very cool RGB spotlights. It supports tons of colors, basically every combination of RGB. That's, what is it, 16 million colors, as well as some really cool effects and foot pedals. So if you are a musician or you do any kind of stage lighting, this would be really cool. Or if you're a streamer and you want to start those effects on cue, you can just kind of tap on it with your foot and it starts up in the background. Very, very cool. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one. Peace.
And kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. That's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect. MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.